Hey everyone, this is Learning Target 1. I can add and subtract fractions. So remember, when you add or subtract fractions, you have to get a common denominator first. So on this one, I like to change them into an improper fraction because I think it just makes it easier. So remember, to do that, you do the denominator times the whole number. I'm going to multiply these, and then afterwards I'm going to add the numerator. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 would give me 15. So it's 15 over 4, and then I just bring this one down. And if you're not sure what your common denominator should be, remember you can do the lowest common multiple, or the LCM. So I put 4 and 3 on the bottom, because those are the denominators. And I'm going to list out the multiples of 4 and 3. So 4, 8, 12, 16, and same thing with 3. And I want to find the lowest one they have in common, so here that's going to be 12. So I know that 12 is my new denominator. But remember, I want these two fractions to be equivalent fractions. So I have to figure out, what do I multiply 4 by to get 12? So if I do 4 times 3, that's going to give me 12. And remember, because you're giant 1, you always need the same thing on the top and bottom. So if I have 3 down here, I put 3 on top. So 3 times 4 was 12. 3 times 15 is 45. Same thing over here. So I'm trying to figure out 3 times what number gives me 12, and that's going to be 4. So 4 goes on the bottom, 4 also has to go on top. So 3 times 4 was 12, so 2 times 4 is 8. And then this is the same thing as adding fractions, but instead of adding them, I'm going to subtract the numerators. So 45 minus 8 is going to be 37. Remember, you just keep the denominator as 12. And you can keep it like this, or if you want to change it to an improper, that's fine. So 12 goes into 37 3 times, because 12 times 3 is 36, and I'm just left with 1/12 left over.